Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorials number 111. Today we look at Google's official free online self-paced curriculum, Applied Digital Skills. Google's Applied Digital Skills is a very valuable resource for students, parents, teachers, and professionals alike. Applied Digital Skills is a free, video-based, and online curriculum that prepares students of all ages for the growing number of jobs that require basic digital skills. What does that mean? Well, it means that the curriculum has been designed to equip students with practical skills that will help them succeed in not only the evolving job market, but also in practical life situations. It brings together digital skills and practical skills to develop unique projects. The curriculum is a set of videos that students can watch to obtain step-by-step instruction on how to, for example, collaborate in a group and develop a creative presentation using slides, or how to create a household or office budget using spreadsheets. Even better, the lessons are aligned with state standards and they help students with the 4 C's: communication, collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. You can access Google's Applied Digital Skills by going to applieddigitalskills.withgoogle.com, or if that's a bit long, you can just Google it. Once there, you should sign in with your appropriate Google account and choose the appropriate role. Then just start browsing their curriculum. You can go up here to lessons, and from here you can either browse the collections that they have created, or you can search for specific lessons by name, or you can even filter by audience, or by a particular digital tool you'd like to look at, or even by topic. Once you're happy with your filters or search, you can then open up the lesson that you'd like to take. Once you're here, you can start the lesson yourself to go through it. You can also look at the different activities that are involved in this lesson, or you can even go over here and add it to a class if you are a teacher. If you click Add to Class, it's going to look up all the classes that you're a teacher of in your Google Classroom and then allow you to assign it to that class right there. You can then either view the class or go back and view the rest of the curriculum. It is a good idea for you to go through these yourself just to kind of get an idea of what they include. They usually have several videos that walk them through step by step. Each video comes with its own transcript, which can be searched. And if you find a particular thing you want to find in that transcript, you can click on it and it'll take you directly to that point in the video. You can also adjust the playback speed if you're having a hard time understanding this, or if your students are having a tough time, or if the video seems to be going a little too slowly for them and they would rather have it much quicker. Once you finish videos, you can go ahead and hit next to the next part of it, and then walk through several teaching components. Sometimes they include surveys, sometimes they include students being able to share something or create something and submit something. Now the teacher can go to My Classes, and the teacher can see any lessons that they have then pushed out to these classes. They can create more classes if they want. They don't have to use Google Classroom, but they can. You'll notice over on the right hand side, if it's the first time you're here, that you'll have an option here to get started with connecting this dashboard with Google Classroom. All you have to do then is choose Connect with Classroom, and then it will start synchronizing those. As I mentioned, if you're not using Classroom, you can just go over here and copy your class code, and students can then join classes by clicking on Join a Class and put in your code to join your class. The benefits of joining your class is that you're able to then track what students have completed what assignment and get progress summaries of their work. Now, it's important for you to know here that this isn't, while we say students, this isn't limited to children. You could set up a professional learning package for your school system, and someone at district or school level administration could invite the teachers to complete these lessons. Like this is one to get G Suite certification. Now, this will not provide you with certification. This is the training so that you may be prepared to take the certification exam. But this is just one of the many collections that's in Applied Digital Skills. So that's kind of great, because you as a district could go in there and say, we're going to go in and assign, each school is going to assign their teachers into a class and track who completes the certification prep program. Google does have a wonderful section here for teaching, specifically geared towards teachers to be using this with their students. They tell you why this might be valuable for your students. They have a getting started guide that's really handy. You can explore lessons here that you may want to push out to your kids as normal. I do want to mention that there is a whole section here for adult learners. So if you want to go in here and see what kind of lessons would fit you, you can then see some of these. Look at this one here for helping keep your kids learning at home. They're fun digital skills lessons with your kids here. How to work from anywhere. Again, this is a collection of 8 lessons that are looking at how to use Google Meet, how to communicate with your team using Google Chat, how to communicate effectively at work. how to use Google Drive to organize folders, plan meetings, and so on. So this content is, again, not just for students. It's for teachers, professionals, anybody, and it's free, 100% free. I think that Google Applied Digital Skills is a great supplement to in-person teaching, but it's also essential for that homeschooling or remote learning that may have to happen due to current educational challenges. In fact, they have a very timely Back to School 2020 collection that's highlighted here in kind of post-it yellow when you first log in. And so they have a whole section here of kind of getting started, signing in with Google, creating a class here, adding lessons to it, and then specific lessons that they think you might want to look at near the beginning of the year. So give it a try. Visit Google's Applied Digital Skills site and run through a lesson or two yourself. And now for a bonus fact. Did you know that for a limited time, you can earn $100 for your school simply by having your students complete some of these lessons? Yeah, this is real. This is not a sales pitch. There's no strings attached here. Google has partnered with Donors Choose, and they have it set up so that if you complete this and you can provide proof, a screenshot of your dashboard showing that at least 15 students have completed this, you'll be emailed a $100 Donors Choose gift code within 2 weeks of that. When you come down here, you can sign into your Donors Choose teacher account and access the survey and go ahead and go into that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button. Click the bell icon to receive email notifications. Leave a comment or idea for a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.